everyone, I am here at India Warehousing&Logistics Expo 2024 right here at the stall of Worldpack Automation Systems Limited. May I know in detail what's the company actually about?
Yeah, so basically as a Worldpack company, we are the leader and giving a best solution for the labeling application machine. There are different kind of machines we have. We are manufactured at least more than around 10 types of machines, some semi-automatic, fully automatic, temporary machines. We are giving a serving a entire range of industry, pharmaceutical, food, beverages, FMCG, chemical, paint, and etc. etc. So we are in this industry of working last 25 years, and we are finally expert to giving a versatile solutions for the packaging at any kind of the labeling which you need to stick on the any type of bottle.
So may I know in brief that what kind of products do we pack or like how many segments are we covering?
You see an FMCG shampoo bottle, you see the hair oil, you see the pharmaceutical tablets, any ointments, eye drop, beverage industry, drinking water, Coke, Pepsi, whatever. Which kind of things where you need to stick the label, this three kind of labels. As an industry divide three types. One is the information label, then details of company. So those of kind cater the entire segment of industry. Food, FMCG, pharma, paints, and etc. Electronics, beverage industry, binary industry, all kind of industry.